How to create a new Discord account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new Discord account. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device first. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in discord.com. This is the official URL of Discord. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Once you reach to this page, here at the top, you will be able to see the login button. Click on the button at the top right, and then now you will be presented with this login interface. In this interface, you will be able to locate a register link just below the login button. Simply click on this register link, and now here you will be able to see this interface where you will need to fill in these details. In the email box, enter your email address, and then in the second box, enter the display name that you'd like to use. After that, enter your username, and also note that if your username is already taken, you might need to enter a new one. And after that, now create a strong password for your account. Click on it and enter your password. After entering the password, now select your date of birth. Click on this month and select your month, select your day, and select your year. After that, if you would like to receive emails from Discord, then you can click on this checkbox right here. Now click on this continue button at the bottom. You will need to now verify yourself. Click on this checkbox that says I am human. Here you will need to solve this CAPTCHA. Once after solving it, click on this verify button right here, and after successful verification, you will be proceed further. After that, you will see you have successfully created an account on Discord. Now you can set up your account by creating your first Discord server. Click on this create my own, click on for me and friends, give a name to your server, and then click on create. So by following these steps, you should be able to create a new Discord account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.